Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
I'm out here at Shallow Farm this morning. I'm not too familiar with this place. I came here 1 or 2 times. Tried to get on a few bass, but I wound up getting on one the last time I was here. I may add that in the video, but this morning I'm using a silver and black back. I'm using my 7'6" Proficiency with my Daiwa bait caster. Hey, it's overcast. Definitely a good day for fishing. Let's see what happens, y'all. Whoa! Oh! You got the first one. All right, got a white perch, you guys. Let's get him back in the water. Ugh. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Lord, sure did, man. You do some amazing fishing, I'm telling you. Y'all, ask Patrick, do he count?
Probably not.
Ask him, see what he says.
Patrick, does a menhaden count for the first one? Close.
No. No. Put them in the side.
It's a catch.
I had to tell on you. So what?
It's a catch.
Better be careful, man. What you said, Patrick? Yeah, I'm beginning to take that theory from him. He ain't as honest as I think he is.
What happened?
Nothing. Nothing.
What? You said you wanted to know where they were. I told you where they are.
They ain't what we were talking about.
They already got hooks in their mouth. It's easy to get.
Do this count? First fish. No.
Oh, that second fish.
Biggest.
Biggest, yes, for now. I caught a fish.
All right, you guys. It ain't exactly what we want and what we're looking for, but hey, it's a fish. And what we doing the first fish, the biggest fish, and the most fish. Right now, I don't know how Matt got this little manhaven on the hook. But right now, he's standing in the record as the first fish. Right now, I'm standing in the record with the biggest fish. And Patrick ain't caught none yet. So, I got a feeling he's going to get the biggest one. But we're going to see. We're gonna ride this out and see how it goes. So, let's get this white perch back in the water, you guys. Hey, got to keep grinding. Let's go, buddy. Oh, let me turn. Lipless crankbait, silver and black back. All right, you guys. Just got another one. Just got another white perch on the silver and black back. Matt done told me it don't count, so I'm out here fishing today with Paul Man Bassin, Backlash Fisherman. And hey, we ain't had no bass. We done been out here since about, I don't know, maybe about 6:37, something like that. So, hey, it is what it is. Got to keep it moving. Let's get this guy back. Let's see what else we can get. Huh? No. Man, with this dial wire don't backlash. Oh no. Oh, got one. Oh my goodness. Got him in the shallows, y'all. Got him in the shallows, huh? Oh, nice one. Oh yeah. I know, man. I know you were like, dang, that could have been mine. Yep. I got him out the shallows, y'all. I don't have to take the skunk hole with me, Patrick. Nice one. Real nice. All right, you guys. Got on the first one with the boat, you guys. Got him on the silver and black back. Nice one. Now I got to send my fellow YouTubers a picture because I guess they heard the splash, but I'm gonna make it official. I'm gonna send them a picture. All right, you guys. I can't use my other camera because it's dead. So let's get this guy back in the water. Oh man, I didn't even do it.